Stop overusing very. It is not incorrect to say very, however, you can sound more competent in using the English language by considering these alternatives. Instead of very intelligent, say brilliant. Do not say very friendly, say amiable. Do not say very unfriendly, say hostile. Instead of very interesting, say fascinating. Instead of very boring, say tedious. Instead of saying very difficult, say arduous. Instead of saying very easy, say facile. Instead of saying very successful, say prosperous. Instead of very unhealthy, say sickly. Instead of very clean, say spotless. Instead of very dirty, say filthy. Instead of very wet, say drenched. Instead of very old, say ancient. How about very young? What do you think that would be? Let me know in the comments. I hope you've learned a new thing today. This is English with RMG. Kindly like, follow, share for more. Thank you.